Alright, here's a good review for water flow meters by RESTMO. There's two in the package. Looks like this part is brass and it's got a little filter here for the intake, and it's plastic, threaded plastic metal for the out section. Alright, and it comes with batteries, two of them, CR2032. This looks like a piece of plastic to open up the back lid, or I guess I can use a loonie and install them face down. Put the cover back on. Alright, looks like it turned on. It displays in liters per minute, and average liters per day, or how much we used. And if you want to change it to gallons, I think if you hold it long enough, it will change. I did it once and I don't know how I did it. Anyway, and the instructions are pretty simple, big enough to read without glasses, which is nice to see. There's a QR code here to see online YouTube videos, how to operate, but nothing for this model. They have other models that they do show on YouTube. Anyway, I'm gonna install it and see how it works. Alright, so I installed this on my garden hose, and I start filling up a bucket to see the quality and the accuracy of counting. So this is a 5-gallon pail. I should be getting about 18 liters of water when it's full, and so far 15, 16. I don't think it's really calibrated, and that's about 18.5, and the water bucket is pretty full, so I may overread the capacity. I can also try it again and see if it's repeatable, but so far it runs pretty good. And then I can see that's the total and average. So I'm gonna install one of those on the sprinkler system and see daily how much water it's using. And of course it depends on the time of day when the demand is higher or lower. So early in the morning it should read faster with higher flow. Pretty cool gadget, I might say. I hope it lasts. Thanks for watching.
Okay, this bucket is 8 quarts, just below this line you're seeing here. So I'm going to fill up the bucket with the hose using the flow gauge. and see what we come out with. Right now we've got 0 gallons. Okay, we're about there, and yep, we got 2 gallons registering on the flow gauge. Seems pretty accurate to me.
Okay, so I'm testing this water flow meter. I've got it installed. I apologize that my valve stem here is kind of dribbly. But you can see right now it's set on gallon count. So it's counting up how many gallons I'm using. If I push this button one time, it's going to switch to gallons per minute of flow. Push it again, and it will show the average gallons per day used. And this one gives the total gallons used. So I'm going to leave it on just single and see how many gallons of water I'm using. But it seems to work pretty well. It installs just like it says. Comes with the battery and a plastic coin to open the battery door in the back and install it. All in all, I'm pretty pleased with this. If you need a flow meter for your hose bib to track how much water you're using, this one looks like it would work. Thank you.
So this is a home water meter. Turn it on and it'll measure gallons, your current flow, gallons per minute, and then your gallons per day, or the average use through the day, or whatever period. I'm not sure what period that is, doesn't really say, but this part connects to your house. Hose connects here. Follow the flow. Takes a CR2032 battery. It's plasticky. I'm not sure how long it would last in that. It's probably got a little plastic impeller inside, so it's, not going to last you years. But if you want to get an idea of how much water your garden or your yard lawn or whatever is using up, this is a simple way to capture those numbers.